Hey guys, welcome back to Rick's vlog. I'm headed to work right now, as usual. But yeah. So what I wanted to talk to you guys about today is cryptocurrency and what is cryptocurrency and why is it worth anything? Why does it hold any value? I had a coworker yesterday. He kind of got the news of Bitcoin and how the price was like skyrocketing and it was at 10,000. I had made a video about it a couple weeks back, but I feel like I was missing some information on the video, so I just trashed it and now I'm gonna redo it one more time. So hopefully this explains the whole gist of it. So what is a Bitcoin and what do I need that for? So a Bitcoin was originally created as a way to transfer money, real money, to somebody at anywhere in the world, that has a computer, and you're able to send the money without high fees or high bank fees, high tax fees from the government. So you're able to send fiat as crypto, send it to somebody. Like, let's just say I'm here in the US, I want to send somebody in China $100,000. Now, if you wanted to send that before, if you wanted to send those $100,000 before, what you have to do, you have to notify the government, notify the banks, and essentially the banks will charge you a fee on transferring that money. So with crypto, there's no hoops and bounds to go through to send that money, and you don't lose any money in the process. So if I send you $100,000, I don't have to pay a $1,000 fee or a $500 fee just to send you that $100,000. So what crypto did is they established a network within computers. So a program in a computer, another program in the computer, send that information. So send those coins, and they're worth a certain value. So at that time, I think they were worth maybe $1. So it would send you 1,000,000 Bitcoins. So then you would receive on the other side 1,000,000 Bitcoins. So that's basically what it's made of. Not only that, but it's made with blockchain technology. So in a way, it's very secure. It's a secure method of payment. So if somebody doesn't come in and just try to hack you and pull your coins out of your wallet or your computer. So it's essentially what it was made for. Now, there's a lot of crypto out there right now because there's plenty of companies that want to create their own coin, so that way, they can make themselves the next Bitcoin. And there's nothing wrong with that. Although the only problem that I see is that some companies are willing to screw people over to, make a quick buck. So that's what you need to be careful of. You can't trust all the companies that are out there, and you can't trust all the crypto that is out there. You just have to make your informed decision on purchasing these coins. So that's what basically Bitcoin is, a way to send you money without having to pay a humongous fee. Although the network right now, Bitcoin network, is charging an extremely high amount of fee, like a fee for Bitcoin. So I don't know how long it'll be until this uptrend is going to be, until probably it goes back down with something better or newer that charges less fees. All right, I'm gonna hop on this bus real quick. All right, so I just got back to work. So another question I get from a lot of people is, where do I buy cryptocurrency? So if you're interested in buying some, There is an application, especially if you're in the United States. There is a website. It's called Coinbase, and I'll put a link in the description below. But essentially what Coinbase is, it's kind of like a little market, and you can purchase your cryptocurrency there. So if you really wanted some, you can go make an account, tie in your ID. They're gonna ask you for your ID and information about your where you live and everything, and you can buy some there. So set up your account, buy it there, and you can hold it there if you want to. Although there is there's risk involved with holding coins on websites, is that at any moment in time they can be hacked and you can lose your money. So how do you solve that problem? So now I purchased my first Bitcoin through Coinbase, or Litecoin, or I think, what else do they have on there? Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, I think, and Ethereum. So you can buy all of those right there. So you're saying to yourself, well, Rick, you're saying that it's not secure, so what do I do? Like, how do I make it so that I don't lose my coins? So what you do is that each type of coin, not all of them though, each one, some of them do, have a wallet. And you're saying, well, a wallet? What do you mean a wallet? So a wallet is basically a program so that comes from that company, Bitcoin or Ethereum or whoever, and it's basically a program that you can send Bitcoin or any other type of coin to that wallet, specifically to that wallet that's for that program, and you can store your coins there, and you can each wallet has an address. It has a specific address where you receive, and you can put that address on Coinbase so that that coin gets delivered to your address, your wallet address. So that's basically how it goes. You can store the coins there and just hold them if you like, or if you want to keep them. That's if you want to keep them safe. You know what I mean? You're planning to hold them long term, and hopefully they go skyrocketing into making you a millionaire. So basically, and I get other questions like, well, what do I do if I want to exchange the coins for something else? So you can do that, and essentially you can go into a website called Bittrex, and you can sell your coins, your Bitcoin or Litecoin. You can deposit them in there, kind of like a wallet. But this time, now you're able to maneuver and manipulate where the coin goes, and if you want to sell it to get another type of coin that maybe you think it's going to go up or down. So you can exchange it for that type of coin. There's a small, tiny fee, of course, and every transaction. Not all coins charge fees, though. So you need to look that up on your own. So if you're interested in a particular coin, you can exchange that coin that you currently have for another one with a small, tiny fee that the exchange charges. No, you purchase your coins on Coinbase. You transfer that to either your wallet or an exchange. And within the exchange, you can exchange it for all types of other currency. And let's just say you're like, well, I made a profit. Rick, I made a profit. So how do I get that money out of there? So same as reverse, within the exchange, you can send a specific type of coin. Let's just say you own Cardano. You own Cardano. Coinbase does not accept Cardano, of course, right? So what do you have to do? You have to change it to something that Coinbase does sell, and that is, for example, Litecoin. You can exchange Cardano for Litecoin, immediately send your Litecoin to Coinbase using that same wallet feature. Remember, I told you have a specific number, and that is your address. You're going to send that coin to that specific address that belongs to you, and then within Coinbase, you can sell it to Coinbase, and they'll give you money for it. They'll give you cash money. And well, how do I get the money out of Coinbase? Well, that's where you tie in your bank account, and they can directly deposit it to your bank account, or if you have PayPal, you can deposit it to PayPal. So yeah, that's what it is in a nutshell. And it is real money, I guess, if you can think about it. It's because if you bought some at a low price, let's just say you bought it at 10 cents, like how I did in a certain company, I can go ahead and sell it now, which is what it's worth now, 75 cents. So I can sell it for 75 cents and then sell it, exchange it for a Litecoin, something that has low fees, and then go to Coinbase and sell it right there. And I'll have it in my bank account. So that's basically the gist of selling, exchanging, and purchasing Bitcoin or any type of coin through Coinbase. So it's not that hard. You just gotta work with it. If it's your first time getting into it, I would suggest you do small transactions because if you buy $5,000 worth of a coin and you have no idea what to do with it, and you see the price go down and you're like, oh my god, I can't sell the coins. You don't want to do that. You want to use a small amount, practice with small amounts, and then once you get the hang of it, then go ahead and do a large purchase or a large quantity of Bitcoin or any type of coin that you like. So yeah, that's the basic gist of it. That's cryptocurrency in a nutshell. And so yeah, I'm gonna put a link down below for Coinbase in case you do want to get into that, and it'll have like a link. So I don't know if they still offer it now, but I think it's like if you purchase $100 worth, they'll give you like an extra $10 of Bitcoin or Ethereum or something like that. But I'll put it in the comments down below. Not in the comments, in the description down below. And that way you guys can get into that if you are interested. If you guys like this video and would like to know more about cryptocurrency, let me know in the comments below, and I will get back to you guys and I'll make more videos. So please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you like it, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.